and one of the solutions, and you just touched on it, is your YouTube channel. So, I mean, you talked about, that's what you talk about on your stuff. But if you want to kind of get into it a little bit, flex on what's going on with your YouTube channel and everything, go for it.
Yeah, I just started the last 4 months. He's been motivating me. The queen in there, Center Cyber is the queen in there. So that'll motivate me to help me get my channel up. So I have 3 lanes on my channel. One thing I try to do is just for basic people. I just try to do news, kind of what's happening. OnlyFans got hacked, so if you're trying to find some free pictures, you can go out there and look at that, man. My fault, I couldn't resist. So the crazy thing, that's my highest viewed video.
But of course it is.
Right. Then the second lane is, let's talk about STIGs. I did one on Windows 95. I think there was 297 checks. So I went over like 10 of the cat ones. Then the big thing is that everybody's talking through is, how does that fall into zero trust? When you put those into your PC and you trying to do zero trust, how do you make that PC with the STIGs fit in zero trust? Right? So then the third thing is what I'm going to try to do more is society. Like I just read the FBI got a court order and start patching people's server. I'm like, I think that's an overreach. Don't be patching my server, FBI. You got to come and get that cleared with me. I know you're trying to help society, but I think that's overreach. So those are the 3 things. Like I said, just news to kind of get regular people, then get the STIGs, which, the people want to get dirty. There's some society stuff like the FBI. I think they're overreaching. The digital divide, right?
Man, that's right. Go on. I'm gonna let you finish. That's the
digital divide. And 2 is, like I tell my students, privacy, right? Do you like the FBI looking at your email? Yes or no? If the question is no, don't get mad at the FBI when they can't catch the terrorists. You don't magically catch people so that's the choice. So I tell my students, you're young, you got to vote on that. That's why people like me as a professor. I don't just talk about little exercise. So that's what we're going to talk about. That's your future. I'm old. I'm about done. So what reaching do you want the government to sign off on? You the future. Okay, let's get real.
Let's talk